Hey friends, happy Monday. I didn't even plan to do a video today until I looked over at this wall and I had this idea. Coffee bar for Christmas. My girls are coming for 10 days starting this Thursday. And since I've got the house like pretty decorated for Christmas, I'm in this festive sort of mood and I wanted to create a really cute coffee bar for them. So let's get into it. Excuse my hair. I took a shower this morning and I'm like, girl, your ends are dead. And let's just say the impulsive side of me came out and I started chopping away. I chopped a good portion. So I just threw it up. Again, I didn't plan to do a video, so don't mind the poof. Although the poof has helped me many times be so creative. Higher the poof, the bigger the creativity. Okay, so I have this area here. Oh, first of all, you guys may remember this is a little hallway to a powder room. And remember I said, should I add curtains there? Well, I did. And in doing so, it definitely flows. I like the way the whole curtains flow now. It feels a little bit more formal and I love it. So right here, sort of adjacent to the dining room and across from the kitchen, I have this area here and I thought perfect for a little Keurig coffee bar. Our one daughter that does live with us here, she loves the Keurig and we drink out of the coffee maker, but I thought I'll create a little station over here for her. She can do her hot cocos, her teas, her coffee at her disposal. So I want to make it feel very festive in this area to go with the kitchen dining room feel. Wait till you see what I did this weekend. I swagged garland all the way down to the other end. More on that later. And then this is the area that I asked, should I add curtains? So anyway, I really like how that looks. But moving down here, the last week I picked up the shelf from Hobby Lobby. Then I ordered this from Amazon. And then I ran over to Home Goods and picked up this. It was the perfect size for this little area right here. And I thought I could accessorize it with coffee stuff or cute Christmas stuff and do something fun. So we have our foundation set, but now I'm going to add another one of those above. We have the height to do so. And then let the fun decorating begin. Okay, so I love how that looks. Now I'm going to start at the top, work my way down. And what I'm going to go in with first is this big woven tray from Home Goods. I love it. And then I'm going to go in with this sign that says Merry Christmas from Hobby Lobby. I just love having tall ceilings to work with because then I can take my decor up higher and higher. Look how cute that looks. Now I have to figure out what to do here. So I feel like this is looking really cute, but now you guys hear me speaking about my good friend Lucy. She always gifts me every Christmas with a wonderful gift. And this was one of my first years on YouTube, I believe. And she surprised me with this Mackenzie Childs mug set. It is so cute. It's a nutcracker. And look at the back. So I am going to try to attempt to hang them like this so you can see the Nutcracker from the side. Since this whole room is in the Nutcracker Mackenzie Childs inspired theme, it's perfect. Thank you, Lucy. I take it out every year. Now I have one hook left, and let me show you what I'm going to do. So I have this little green and white striped tea towel. Now this is a curtain clip. I just took the clip part off. I folded the towel like this and squeezed it through, and now I have something to hang my tea towel from. Now let me show you this adorable Santa I got from Walmart the other day. It's actually a wax warmer. So if you lift it up, you would put your wax melts in here. The light bulb is right inside. It warms the wax melts, although I'm just using this as an accent lamp. And it does get a little warm underneath. So what I'm putting underneath it is a marble coaster. It sort of blends. And then I can sit it on the table like this. I just don't want my wood table to get ruined. So that's a good tip if you want to get one of these. They have a Christmas tree, adorable, and a Santa. But the Santa's so darling. I'm not sure what I'm doing with them just yet. I have this adorable pine tree from Mud Pie, and you guys may remember I purchased this Nutcracker planter on Amazon, and just to dress up the base of this, I'm gonna set my pine tree in the Nutcracker planter. So cute. I have a little bottle brush tree, this adorable Nutcracker from Amazon. Definitely Mackenzie Childs vibes, but without the price.
I will make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily.
You guys may remember I purchased this cake stand on Amazon at a great price point. Inside, I stacked some chocolate dipped biscottis, and it's gonna go right there in that cube. This was also a Mackenzie Childs dupe I found on Amazon. It's an adorable tray, and it's very, very nice, good quality. I'm taking a plate stand. I'm going to turn it like this. This is being used as a backdrop. And then I have this little canister from Ross. By the way, this little guy was from Ross. And in here I have some of her gingerbread coffee pods from Starbucks. Now I have this adorable holly wreath. I'm going to use this as a backdrop right down here. I have this little Santa mug, which I put more chocolate dipped biscottis in. And then these cute little ice skates with some candy canes. And lastly, this little ornament from the at-home store. All right, friends, well, that will wrap up my little video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I was able to give you some cute festive ways to perhaps decorate your coffee area. And I think this is going to be a fun place for me to decorate through the seasons. I'll link everything I can down below if you're interested. And other than that, I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah! Bye, guys.